Oh my freaking God. Today was not a very good day, I tell you. I fell asleep with the air conditioner on. It was hot in here last night. Oh my God. So I turned the air conditioner on. 54 degrees outside with the heat on in here. It was like 87 degrees in here, whatever. You know, so I turned the air on and then fell asleep. Worst sleep ever, you know. Thought I was living underneath a porch or something, freezing. So this morning I woke up with a bad head cold. So I made a BLT, choked it down. Then I realized time's running out to get my money to the bank. Phone call comes. It's my niece in Milwaukee, Aaliyah, asking me if I'm coming down. Well, if she would have said, let's go find it, if she would have said that, I would have got my money out of the bank, came right down there, and go look for it. That was my mission. But she said no. She hurt my feelings. So I guess I hurt her feelings by saying that she goes, are you coming down at noon? And I hurt her feelings by saying that I fell asleep with the air conditioner on and I got a bad head cold and I don't want to come down there and get you guys sick. She was fine, whatever. Goodbye. And she hung up.
Is that your final answer? You're going to go deaf in about 10 seconds.
To build up the pressure even more. So I look at the time, I got like 8 minutes to get my money out of the bank before it closes. And then Sunday I won't be able to do nothing. So there'll be no money all weekend. Whatever. See, everything happens for a reason. So I get on my slippers, my shorts, my sweatpants, my hat, and I go down the stairs thinking, oh, am I privileged now? I can use my front door. So I locked the door up here, went down, locked the door down there, went to the bank, came back, opened the door downstairs, came up here, and realized that I don't have the key for the door upstairs here because I never used it.
Your sleazy, disgusting, perverted behavior. Jake?
Then I go to my car, got a flat tire.
You deserve a father like you.
Then I realized I left my phone in here, and I looked right at my phone before I left. Something told me, grab your phone. So I go to Fishtails. I talk to Margaret.
Wrong answer.
Of course, Tim Nels is not around. He's out selling more houses. So then she told me to talk to the, Ann downstairs here. Another Ann. Imagine that. Another Ann. She runs the store right next door here. She runs the store next door here. It's like antiques or something. I don't know. But anyhow, so she gets the keys. Don't have the key for up here. Don't have the key for up here. So I'm thinking, my God, I'm locked out and I can't get in. I'm in my frickin' slippers, head cold, shorts on, sweatshirt, hat, and that's it. And I'm freaking out. So I go in my car, in my trunk, I take a pair of scissors and I cut open an oil jug and I cut a piece of plastic and I use it as a shimmy. I'm going to smash that fucking goddamn TV.
Come on, fuck us. Oh, twosomes, threesomes, it doesn't matter. Starfish, husbands, you don't give a fuck. You'll just fuck anything. You just fuck anything. Well, you lied to me. I'm trying to help you. I let you in. I was a good guy. I'm a good father. And you just fucking fuck me? What? Now you're gonna kill me? You're gonna kill me? Why? Why? You gonna fuck me? What the fuck? Fuck, this is fucking insane!
Wow, I thought I had a bad day. Anyhow, so I made a shim out of a piece of plastic. I got the door open, alright. So I told Ann I give them keys back to Ann downstairs, and I says, hey, look, I'm going to go to Menards, give me some new locks, I'm going to fix it myself. So I don't have this issue again. I don't need this kind of bullshit in my life. Can't get my own fucking place. Oh, I'm pissed. So anyhow, sorry for swearing. No, I'm really trying to make good videos here, but god damn it, man, when I can't get my own fucking house, that pisses me off. I'm standing outside in my fucking slippers and fucking shorts with a fucking head cold. I sound like that guy on TV. And I'm locked out. The deadbolt on the other door, you can lock it on the inside, so I fucked myself. Yeah. You can't unlock it from the outside. So when I locked this door, I was fucked. Sure, I got the key for the bottom lock for the back door. Trust me, I got that shit fixed now. I got that shit fixed. I went to Menards, got me a new deadbolt lock and a regular lock. Fucking, I fixed that shit. No new locks and back door. Now, so I'm going to take the lock that was on the bottom of the back door. I'm going to put it in this door here so I can use it. Done. So, yeah, let's see what time it is. 3 p.m. It gets dark out in 1 hour. But what really ticked me off is that phone call. I promised I would come down. God does not want me to go down there. I swear to God, he don't want me to go down there. Flat tire on top of it. Head cold, flat tire, locked out of my house. What more else can happen? Well, at least I got my money. Got my money. Got my freaking money. Got my fucking money. Got it. Want to see it? Want to see my goddamn money? Here, I'll show you my goddamn money.
You spied on me?
I work every motherfucking day.
On my kids? Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. Jesus, I'm so fucking... Yeah, you are.
So I went to Walmart, got me some spinach, whole case of spinach. I got a whole case of spinach. I want to clean out my fucking system. I'm tired of waking up 1 o'clock in the morning because I can't breathe. My arteries are so damn fucking clogged up from all this chimichanga grease. Huh. Want to see some money? Yeah. What the fuck are you watching, dude? Jesus fucking Christ. I never heard so much fucking swearing in my fucking life. Oh my fucking god. God, I wish this was all $100 bills. Fucking A, boy. If this was all $100 bills, I'll go to Milwaukee right now. But God don't want me to go to Milwaukee. Okay. 100. 200. 300. 400. 500. 600. 620. 640. 650. 655. 660, 665, 667, 666, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. $675. Big fucking whoop-de-fucking do. Y'all probably think that's a lot of money. This ain't fucking shit. I owe more than this. That's why I'm pissed off. And they want me to come to Milwaukee. They want me to come to Milwaukee. They want me to come to Milwaukee. They want me to come to Milwaukee.
Jealous, please. that with me?
I don't know. It's cheating. We still have 90 minutes. You were keeping secrets for us.
They want me to come walkie. They want me to come walkie. They don't
I
understand.
don't think we can have any.
Nobody seems to fucking understand.
You're not like you are.
I'm being fucked.
I don't own a gun. I don't shoot people.
I am seriously, literally being fucked by my ex-landlord. I hope she's fucking watching this, and I hope she's fucking laughing her ass off.
He kicks, I shoot. He knows that.
Laughing her fucking ass off. I can't believe it. Nobody can't believe the judge okayed it. The judge okayed it. Look, he did tell her right from the beginning. Look, you wanted the guy out, he's out. What is your issue? You wanted him out, he's out. Well, I want to sue him for damages. Damages? What damages? He made my toilet leak.
30 seconds, go.
You're suing Mr. See, that was just a fucking scam. He's like, you're trying to sue Mr. Kish here for your toilet leaking? He should have told her right away. Ma'am, he's out. This case is closed. Deal with your own issues and your own problems. We're done here. Case closed. You're not suing him for your toilet leaking. Fix your own toilet. Seems like Carl was right. You are a slumlord. And if I had the law in my own hands, I would make sure that you would never be a landlord ever again. Do you understand me? If I ever hear about you coming back to this court system, trying to sue him again, I will put you in jail for harassment. This poor man lived in your home with the roof leaking,
Daddy?
with the toilet leaking. And you did nothing but kick him out? You should be in jail. You should be in jail. She should be in jail. It should be against the law to be a slumlord. There's your money. So I guess I gotta send this to the... We'll give it to the landlord or whatever. Menards. $21. $21.
Don't fucking move.
Help me! Help me! Help me!
I'm just fucking up the screen, ain't I? Got a special towel here for this shit. I'm just fucking it up. Scratching it all to hell. Quit touching the lens, Carl Kish. Well, okay. Craziest movie anyways, anyhow. Let's see if I can do this quick and fast. This issue is over with right now. Oh God, yeah! Get your fucking reading glasses on, can't goddamn fucking see. You're gone. Hope you're happy. Fucking throwing them. Fucking throwing them. When you break them, and then you're gonna be sorry. Okay, let's see.
take off the screws. Okay, boy, is that loose. Take off the screws. This should be real quick, real fast. Come on. Real quick and real fast, so it's done and all around. Okay. Okay. Let's pull this back a little bit. Oh my God! Oh my fucking God. That won't even come out. Wow, this is just like the other one. Just like the other one. Just like the other one. You're missing a piece. Okay, remember when you put this latch in that it's gonna go in, okay? Just put it like that. What the hell is this shit? The fucking hell? Oh, it must be for the other one. Where is it? Yeah, it must be for the other one. There it is. Okay, so the other one. Wait a minute. Oh my God. That's not even the right one. That's not even the right one. It's not even the right one.